Hello everyone, welcome back to Fundrise Finance. In today's video, I want to show you all how much my portfolio made as dividends for the month of April. Without any further delay, let's get started.
So this is my affiliate portfolio whose current value is over $105,000. Now after moving my Acorns portfolio towards middle of the March, affiliate is my one-stop investing platform that keeps my investing simple.
Now coming to the dividends in this portfolio for the month of April, you can see I filtered from April 1st till the 30th. And initial few transactions in the month were the holdovers from end of March. If you look at the fresh transactions, we see ADP, Coca-Cola, Nike, and Pepsi. So on a bunch of payments through the month, and see Merck, then Salesforce paying its first dividend ever, and we have the monthly pay realty income, so on and so forth. I downloaded all of them into Excel file. You can see the month to start with ADP $1.06, Coca-Cola $1.97, Huntington Bank shares $2.59, Nike $1.49, Pepsi $2.96, UGI Corp $3.87, Walmart $1.25. Then a minuscule 8 cents from my new ETF CGDV. Then JP paying me $7.30, JEPQ $7.81, VT Properties $14.85, Chubb 94 cents, Merck $3.12, Philip Morris $3.01, Amphenol 89 cents, Best Buy $3.66, Salesforce its first payment ever with 80 cents, and Franklin Resources $1.84, Federal Realty $3.18, Innovative Properties $7.42, Realty Income $4.39, US Bank Corp $1.47, WP Carry $3.57, Medtronic $3.45, then 4 cents from S-Flow ETF, 1 cent from V-Flow ETF, and these two are my new ETFs in this portfolio which I started. Then you have 90 cents from Intuit, $3.25 from Cisco, $5.71 from Comcast, 81 cents from Oracle, $5.48 from American Tower, then together 4 cents from DJRW, and $22.54 from Altria Group, $4.55 from EOG Resources, then $28.89 from SPXX, that's the money market fund which holds my cash and pays almost like 5% in interest every month, 57 cents from the triple Qs, and finally $4.66 from JP Morgan. And this is my Google Sheet tracker. So you can see the related portfolio value currently is $105,080. Current yield is 3.14%. The current annual income is $3,297.53. Now, adding up all those dividends from the month of April, we get a final value of $162.16, which compared to the first month of last quarter, it was $148.14. So like around $14 something more than that. You have to see that quarter growth. But if I look at just the same month of last year, it was just 41 bucks and 38 cents. Yes, for the past year, I've been consolidating my portfolio, so comparing quarter year over year would not be appropriate. But over time, they should smooth out. Likewise, from a quarterly perspective, you can see the Q2 value starting to show up now. Now, last quarter, we earned $713 and change as dividends. Hope to see the Q2 value higher than that. Annually speaking, we currently stand at $875.44. I'm sure by the end of the year, the 2024 value will be higher than 2023. Like I always say, the favorite chart of mine, the dividends by quarter, we can see the Q2 value showing up now. And we can see a nice laddered upward growth by end of Q2, hoping to see this Q2 bar higher than in Q1 and thus continuing our upward ladder. For that, let's see what's our dividend payments look for the month of May. It starts with the medical properties, followed by Verizon, Lowe's companies, MasterCard, General Dynamics, Edwards and Chemicals, AbbVie, Abbott Labs, Accenture, EO Smith, Hormel Foods, Kinder Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Northwest Bank Shares, Realty Income, Procter& Gamble, Caterpillar, Texas Instruments, Citigroup, Charles Schwab, Walmart, CSXM, Conagra Foods, and finally Starbucks. Adding up all of these, we see currently a value of $144.40. Of course, I should be expecting some payments from my covered call ETFs in JP and JPQ, which hopefully should bring my May value higher than what it was in February. Let's see what happens a month from now. Now, this overall portfolio sheet used to have Fidelity and Acorns in the past, but now that I have moved over my Acorns to Fidelity, I should actually update this sheet to reflect the current details. I'll make that change by the next dividend video. But other specific details look in this sheet would be my dividends growth chart showing all the way back to 2018 to include my Acorns details and stuff. You can see here the values going higher and higher. Yes, Q1 we saw a small dip because of the SCHD payment in Q1 was smaller than Q4 of 2023. So we saw a small dip from 733 to 713, a $20 dip. But that should iron out in the long run. Looking at the portfolio style, you can see it's predominantly large cap. You can see large growth, 22.5, large blend is 27.4, and large value is 38.3. So equally spaced out. From a sectoral point of view, 32.3% of the portfolio is in ETFs. From an individual sector point of view, information technology is the highest at 11%, followed by consumer discretionary at 7.6, then financials at 7, then staples at 6.3. Now I have 11.6% in cash, which I can deploy in a very good way. Currently, we are seeing the markets correcting a bit, which are throwing up some good opportunities to make use of. So yes, I don't intend to have this high of a cash position always, but right now I'm trying to use it into buying some good opportunities. Other than that, we can see the current gain of the portfolio is 8.31%, with Nvidia being the biggest gainer over 400%. Biggest loser is Whirlpool at 48% negative. And that we can see the income goals. Currently, the 1 year goal of $3,000. We already reached it and it's more than that. But once I reduce my cash position, the dividend value will also come down. So I don't intend to change this value right away. I'll see as and when I make appropriate purchases and accordingly when the dividend value is reflected, it will give a chance to relook at this number. From a dividend metrics point of view, currently the portfolio is yielding almost $275 every month. From a weekly standpoint, it's $63.41. From a daily point, over $9. From a 24-hour standpoint, it's 38 cents. But if you look at an 8-hour workday, it's $1.59. Yeah, pretty much happy with the what the portfolio is currently doing. Yes, there are areas where I can improve upon. Let's see. I'll keep you all updated on the progress of this portfolio. And yeah, that's all I had to discuss in this one. Hope you all liked it and found some value from it. And if so, I would really appreciate if you could hit that like and subscribe buttons so that YouTube can suggest this video to many more people out there. That would really help this young channel. So until we meet in the next video, let's try to do as much as possible to be financially healthy and keep taking the small strides towards financial freedom. See you. Bye.